Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I did with the hexagon pages at the back of my Erin Condren. I kind of showed you a little bit of how I set it up, but I didn't have all the clips, so I just put loads of clips together to kind of show you what I did. I didn't have an intro, so I just thought I would come on here and do a voiceover. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe if you haven't already and put your notification bell on so you can be notified every single time I upload. Planner videos on Fridays and Sundays and hair videos on Wednesdays. I'll see you in the next one. For this page, I think I'll be doing what most YouTubers have been doing about making it gold. So I'm going to just use my stickers to fill in the hexagons and then fill in this later. And then for this page, I recently decided I'll be doing a yearly bucket list of things that I want to achieve by the end of the year. So I have a list of this already, so I'll add this in. And on this page, I've decided I'm going to use shop discount codes for all of my sticker shops that I love. So I'll keep them all in one place. So I won't be using it for contacts. And this, I'm not going to be using it anyway. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I have my hexagons from this page, and then I also, somewhere, if I can find it, have my other hexagons from the colourful sticker book. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. There are 15 on each page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 15. Yep, there are 30 altogether, so there should be more than enough. So I'm going to alternate do neutral, colourful, neutral, colourful, neutral, colourful. So I'm just going to do all the neutrals first, and then I'll put down all the colourfuls. I'm going to show you what I've done with the hexagon pages. So this is the colouring page I'll probably colour in. This page I set up off camera. I did have a clip of me putting down some of the stickers, but then my camera kept dying. So I might insert myself sticking down some of the hexagon stickers, but these are basically the hexagons from the back of the book, from both the colourful one and the colourful one and the neutral one. And then, so I'm going to use this as an emergency fund savings tracker. So I'm going to get the designer sticker book, the edition 5 I believe, that has the clear hexagons. I'm big on saving basically. So, but I like to have an emergency fund, and this year I'm going to try and get my emergency fund onto £2,000. I don't think it will happen with all that will probably be going on this year, next year I should say, but I just want to put as a goal. So every time I reach one of these, I will put the clear hexagon on it, and I probably will be taken out of it for different reasons anyways, so it'll take longer. But you know, I have this here. They're not all going up in the same amount of numbers. Some of them are going up by £100, some by 50, some by 150 I think. And then this page, I decided that I'm going to do a 2020 bucket list for 12 things I want to achieve by the end of the year. So I'm going to put some more on the ones I don't have it and kind of tick them off once I've achieved that. So I'm going to go through it. I want to reach 1k subscribers. I want to take a trip to Monaco, 1k in my savings account, even though it's 2k there, but I want to have at least 1k. Become an active gym member, move out of my mum's house, make £1,000 for my hair business. I think in a month, because altogether for the year I've made more than that, but I think in a month, but I didn't write that. Or less than a year, I want to make 1k. 1k views on all of my
2020 video, so I want to get to a point where all of my videos get at least 1k views. That's very wishful thinking, but I wanted to aim high. Natural hair to be my natural hair to be shoulder length whilst wet, so it's past my shoulders while dry, but when it's wet it's quite high up. I'm showing you, like you can see. So I want my natural hair to be at least shoulder length while it's wet and curly. I want to go to a natural hair event and network, maybe more than one. Create a salon-like spare room in my house or flat that I move into once I move out of my mum's house. Find someone for my observation. That's something to do with uni. Don't want to go too much into that. More followers on my Hair by Ads Instagram and be more active on that. So those are the pages that I've set up so far. Have I done anything else? No, that's it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below what you thought of it and what you guys are doing with your dot pages and these hexagon pages. I would be very interested to hear what you guys are doing on that. And yeah, I shall see you in the next video, which should be me setting up my monthly, yearly overview. I'm still waiting for the kit to come. It should be here on Friday. Today it's Monday, the week of Christmas. So I've already stuck things here because I did it off camera, but yeah, getting too much into that. So if you haven't already, be sure to watch my January monthly overview, my planner setup video, and also my lined notes page video if you haven't already watched that. And I shall see you in the next one.